One thing to be careful about when working out the gradient is to check the scale. So we know that the gradient is worked out by getting rise over run. So for each one of these units, you have a look at how many units you've gone up. So rise from 15 to 20, so that is 5, not just 1. Just because you see 1 square here doesn't mean it's 1. It's 1 here, but not here. So 5 over 1, which is 5. So this would be y equals 5x plus 10. Here is another example. So we'll try and work out the gradient. So we'll go and create a triangle. So rise is, or drop in this particular case, because it's going downwards. So that is from 35 going to 30. So that's -5 over, there is 2 units here. So from -12 is going to -10. So that's going to be -2.5 as the gradient. So y is equal to -2.5x, and the y-intercept is 5, so plus 5 here. But in this case, we had to have a look at the scale in both of the axes, because it was going up in 5s vertically and in 2s horizontally.